In this video, you'll learn 8 interesting facts about old people. So, let's begin. What do you know about the elderly? How would you describe them as a group? What about as individuals? People's perceptions of the elderly often differ based on their experiences, knowledge, and the extent of their interactions with older individuals. These views can also be shaped by personal encounters and societal influences. Unfortunately, several common misconceptions about older adults perpetuate stereotypes, portraying them as weak, isolated, and trapped in the memories of their past. Additionally, there's a prevailing notion that old people harbor resentment towards younger generations and lead monotonous, joyless lives. While aging may bring physical limitations, and some seniors may indeed face loneliness, these stereotypes are overly generalized and don't capture the diversity within the elderly population. So, to challenge these misconceptions, let's have a look at 8 interesting facts about senior citizens we should all know. Fact number 8. Senior citizens are still active in the workforce. In today's workforce, there's a noticeable and growing presence of senior citizens, with over 5 million individuals from this demographic actively participating in various professions and industries. This statistic signifies a significant shift in how society views retirement and aging. Many older adults are choosing to extend their careers well into their later years, driven by different motivations, and remarkably, they make substantial contributions to society. What's more, these senior citizens have accumulated extensive experience and knowledge throughout their careers, making them invaluable assets for their employers and colleagues. Their wisdom and insights often inspire younger generations, aiding them in navigating intricate challenges and making well-informed decisions. This trend also highlights a shift in societal attitudes toward aging. Many seniors are choosing to remain active in the workforce not only for financial reasons, but also because they find a sense of purpose and fulfillment in their work. This challenges stereotypes about aging and stresses the idea that age should not be a barrier to productivity or contribution to society. So, as we recognize and appreciate the wealth of experience these seniors bring, it's essential to work toward creating a more inclusive and diverse workforce that benefits everyone involved. Fact number 7. Senior citizens are more likely to commit suicide. While media portrayals might often suggest that younger individuals primarily struggle with suicidal thoughts and actions, this depiction doesn't align with statistical reality. In truth, individuals who are 65 years old or older are at a higher risk of committing suicide than other age groups. When breaking down the data by gender, men show a higher likelihood of suicide than women. Research from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention highlights this disparity. While the probability of suicide for women tends to stabilize when they reach their 60s, the risk continues to increase for men as they age. Multiple factors elevate the risk of suicide among the elderly. Depression is a significant contributor, yet it's frequently overlooked, underestimated, or misdiagnosed in this age group. Other contributing factors include feelings of isolation and loneliness, challenges arising from physical impairments, financial struggles, and acute health issues. Additionally, significant life changes, such as the end of a marriage or the death of a partner, further intensify these risks. Moreover, access to lethal weapons, especially handguns, increases the likelihood of suicide. Studies show that among the elderly who choose to end their lives, guns are the most common method. Regionally, Montana has a distressing record, with the highest rate of suicide among its senior population. Fact number 6. Senior citizens are more likely to vote. Senior citizens make up a significant portion of registered voters, indicating a strong sense of civic responsibility and patriotism for their country. This fact is supported by statistics from U.S. News, which reveal varying levels of voter turnout in the November 2010 election across different age groups. According to the statistics, 61% of individuals aged 65 and older actively exercised their right to vote during that election, illustrating a particularly robust level of engagement among senior citizens. Additionally, among those aged 55 to 64, about 51% participated in the electoral process. On the other hand, younger age groups showed lower levels of voter participation, with only 32.2% of individuals aged 25 to 44 casting their votes and a mere 19.6% of voters in the 18 to 25 age group engaging in the election. This pattern of voting behavior supports the notion that older voters tend to possess a greater degree of political and social awareness. This heightened awareness is a product of their exposure to a broader range of political and social issues throughout their lifetimes. Due to their extensive exposure to various topics, they are often better at recognizing which policies are more effective and beneficial for their local communities and the broader society. Furthermore, senior citizens usually have a deeper understanding of their rights and the historical struggles that paved the way for them to be established and protected. So, when older people vote or participate in civic activities, they don't just affect the results of elections. Their actions also help keep alive the memory of the historical events, battles, and struggles that have shaped society. Fact number 5, poverty is still a serious issue for senior citizens. Did you know that more than 15 million seniors in the United States live in poverty? Moreover, their struggles aren't confined to numbers. They manifest in real-world challenges, like choosing between food and medication or facing eviction. The cost of necessities, such as housing and healthcare, is constantly rising. As a result, many of these seniors, even those who save diligently throughout their lives, find their financial resources stretched thin, making them particularly vulnerable to unexpected expenses. Their financial predicaments aren't always the result of poor financial decisions. The changing economy means that the worth of their assets and savings often fails to keep pace with increasing expenses like healthcare, medications, and assisted living. Recent data from the U.S. Census Bureau presents a concerning picture of senior poverty in America. The research indicates that the poverty rate among seniors rose from 8.9% in 2020 to 10.3% in 2021. This surge implies that an additional 1 million elderly Americans now struggle with financial constraints. This is a critical issue that requires immediate attention and intervention from the concerned authorities. Fact number 4. Senior citizens still have sex. Sexual activity among senior citizens often contradicts societal assumptions. Surprisingly, about 73% of seniors continue to lead active sexual lives. Their experiences are not just limited to their long-term spouses or partners. Many seniors venture into new relationships and are open to experimenting with diverse sexual practices. Interestingly, the level of satisfaction derived from their intimate encounters doesn't fade with age. Many individuals in their 60s, 70s, and even older have expressed equal or sometimes even greater satisfaction than in their younger days. However, there's a vital aspect that requires attention: the practice of safe sex among seniors. A significant trend has been observed where those over 60, especially those who are single or widowed, frequently engage with new intimate partners but are less inclined to practice safe sex. This reluctance or oversight is worrisome due to the potential health risks involved. Instead of dismissing or overlooking the intimate lives of seniors, there's a pressing need for society to provide them with targeted education and health resources. Proper guidance and awareness can be crucial in ensuring their safety and well-being. Fact number 3. Senior citizens are tech savvy. Most people often assume that senior citizens don't use or understand technology. However, that's not true. Many older adults are familiar with and use technology regularly. A study by Pew Research found that about 96% of those aged 50 to 64 are using the internet. Even in the higher age bracket, among those 65 and older, 75% are active online. Additionally, 73% of people aged 50 to 64 and 45% of those over 65 are on social media. Moreover, the online presence of senior citizens is not limited to just staying connected with family and friends on social media. Their digital footprint spans a wide range of activities. Many seniors immerse themselves in online games, stay updated with current events through news websites, explore companionship on dating sites, and actively participate in online communities aligned with their interests. Their roles in the digital space are also diverse. They contribute as bloggers, give their opinions through surveys, shop online, review products and services, indulge in photography, and much more. Fact number 2, senior citizens have a day of recognition. May has been earmarked as a special month dedicated to the appreciation and recognition of senior citizens. This is a time when communities, organizations, and families often come together to show gratitude and celebrate the elderly members of society. In addition to the month-long recognition in May, there is an official day, August 21st, known as Senior Citizens Day. This specific day serves a dual purpose. First, it aims to shed light on the social and economic challenges many seniors face, drawing attention to the importance of their well-being. Second, it's a day to commend and celebrate senior citizens for their invaluable contributions to society, recognizing the wisdom, experience, and insight they bring to our communities. Fact number 1, senior citizens are individuals. While it might be convenient to categorize senior citizens as a collective group, it's essential to understand that each senior is unique. Analyzing them through statistics and infographics might provide an overall view. Still, it doesn't capture the essence of their individual experiences. Seniors come from various socioeconomic backgrounds, ethnicities, and educational levels. Their lifestyles and choices are as varied as any other age group. Some might be seen running marathons or attending college classes, while others could be actively working, dancing, or exploring online dating platforms. Even in their leisure, many are tech-savvy, engaging in online games or connecting through social media. To truly understand a senior, you must interact with them personally, delving deep into their stories and passions. We can only gain insights into what drives and inspires them through personal interactions. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and staying with me till the end. Until next time, have a great day.